Okay, boys and girls, the song that I chose to analyze today is the song that you're listening to in the background. So if I am looking at the speaker, right, I know that the speaker in this poem has gone through some things because I'm listening to what she's saying. She's saying to turn your face towards the sun. She says that she's been burned, right? So that lets me know that she's been through some things, right? And so what I want you to think about next is the symbolism. And in this song, she tells you to, quote unquote, turn your face toward the sun. And what she's saying to you is, look to a brighter day. Because we know when we turn our faces toward the sun, it gives us light. And so she's using that line to encourage us, right? To look for a brighter future. Her word choice, she uses several forms of figurative language in here. I'm kind of going between the W and the F in this particular part. Her word choice is very visual. It helps me to create a picture in my mind, and the emotional impact that it's having on me, it's causing me to feel very encouraged. Okay? She says, I've been burned. She hasn't literally been burned, but she's saying that by other people, right? She's been mistreated. But in spite of that, she's going to turn her face toward the sun, and she's going to look to brighter days. She says it's not worth my soul. So she doesn't want to have the things that have happened to her, the negative things, right, to consume her, to take her over, to cause her soul to be so damaged on the inside that she can't see better for herself, that she can't see other people trying to help her. Okay? So her attitude or her tone towards the subject, it's very uplifting. You know, as I said before, she's trying to convey the message to you. I've been through this, right? I've been through a lot, but I want you to know what you can do for the future. When she says, let the shadows fall behind you, she's speaking here again. That's an imagery piece there, right? Those shadows are the bad experiences. She's saying, put those things behind you. So she's had moments where she wanted to give up. This is again speaking to the tone. But she's a fighter, right? She wanted to give up, but she's trying to tell you to carry on just like she did. And so the theme for me in this song will be never give up, never quit. Don't let those shadows or those bad experiences shape your future. Look towards the sun. Turn your face towards the sun, right? And so just going through this SWIFT strategy with this song, the theme or the advice or the life lesson is to stay in the fight. Keep going, right? We're going to have things that are going to maybe knock us down or, jostle us around a little bit. But you leave those things in the past. Don't hold on to them and keep moving forward. Now, it's going to be your turn now to go and